In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. Whether you're looking to add a unique, interactive element to your website or simply want to showcase images in a stylish and modern way, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to open Squarespace in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your account credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on your Squarespace homepage. Here, navigate to the lower left corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to access your account details. Next, you'll need to select the specific website you wish to work on. This is particularly important if you manage multiple sites under the same Squarespace account. Once you've chosen the right site, go ahead and click the Edit button to enter the editing mode. This is where the magic will happen. Now, it's time to add a new section to your web page. This is achieved by clicking on the Add Section button, which will allow you to insert different types of content into your site. From the options available, select Images. This will open up a variety of layouts for you to choose from. Once you've selected Images, you'll want to click Edit Section to customize your image display settings. Look for the option labeled Grid Simple and click on it. This will give you a clean and organized layout to start with, but to achieve that smooth horizontal scrolling effect, you'll need to go a step further. In the section you've just set up, choose Slideshow Simple from the available options. This feature will enable the horizontal scroll function, transforming the way your images are displayed. Now, let's add some finishing touches. Under the gallery settings, you'll notice an option for thumbnails and an autoplay toggle. Enabling autoplay will allow your images to scroll automatically, adding a dynamic element to your page. Don't forget to adjust the slide duration to your liking. A shorter duration will have your images scroll more quickly, while a longer one will give viewers more time to appreciate each individual image. Once you're satisfied with your settings and layout, make sure to click the Save button. This will ensure all your changes are stored and reflected on your live website. And there you have it. A stunning, horizontally scrolling image gallery right on your Squarespace site. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. With just a few simple steps, you've added an eye-catching feature that can elevate the aesthetic and functionality of your website. Happy designing!